Hello students, welcome in online classes. Myself Deepika. In our previous class, we have learned about finding the missing digits in subtraction, estimating the difference and word problem related to subtraction. And I have given you one assignment 11. First, we will discuss the answer key of that assignment. So, the first question was fill in the missing digits. So, I have taught you that how you have to find the missing digit. Here you have one missing digit, here and here. So, the number on the top in subtraction, the number on the top is called minuend. The number which we are subtracting is called subtrahend and the answer is called difference. So, here minuend was missing. You have to find minuend. For that, we have learnt some points. When we have to find minuend, we have to add difference in subtrahend. So, when we add difference and subtrahend, 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. It means here comes 5. Now, in tens, 7 minus 8. So, 7 is smaller than 8. So, not possible. We have to borrow. When we borrow 1, here 1, 7, 17. 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. Now, here remains 8. 8 minus 7, 1. Here we don't have minuend. So, we will add subtrahend and difference. So, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. It means our minuend is 4. So, in this way, you have to find the missing digits. I have taught you already. The second question was one word problem. The price of a washing machine is rupees 6,290 and that of a mobile phone is rupees 4,450. Which cost more and by how much? It means you have to compare and find the difference. For that, you have to write statement. The price of a washing machine is rupees 6,290. The price of a mobile phone rupees 4,450. Now, difference in both. For that, we will subtract 6,290 minus 4,450. When we subtract here, 0 minus 0, 0, 9 minus 5, 4. Here 2 minus 4, not possible. So, 12 minus 4, 8 and here what remains 5. 5 minus 4, 1. So, what difference come? Here rupees 1,840. Now, we have to write answer. Therefore, the cost of washing machine is more than the mobile phone by rupees 1,840. The cost of washing machine is more than mobile phone by 1,840. So, that was the answer key of assignment 11. Now, our today's topic. So, we have completed our chapter number 3 and today we are starting our chapter number 4, which is multiplication. In multiplication, first we will see the learning object of multiplication. So, after learning multiplication chapter, you can apply the properties of multiplication. Multiply quickly by 10, 100, 1000 and their multiples. You can multiply 3-digit number by 2-digit number and multiply 4-digit numbers by 1-digit number. So, we have to learn all of these. First, we will go on one point to remember. As we have learned in addition and in subtraction, that in addition, the both number which we are adding is called addend and the answer is called sum. In subtraction, the number on the top is called minuend. The number which we are subtracting is called subtrahend and the answer is called difference. So, in multiplication also, In a multiplication sum, the number to be multiplied is called the multiplicand. The number by which we multiply is called the multiplier, and the result is called product. Multiplicand multiply by multiplier is equal to product. So see, the first number 15 is called multiplicand, this 5 is called multiplier, and this is called product. As if we are multiplying, this is called multiplicand, this is called multiplier, and the answer 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. The answer of multiplication is called product. So you have to keep in your mind this thing. Now we are coming on the properties of multiplication. The first property is order property. This property we have learnt in addition and subtraction both. In addition, if we change the addend, the sum was not affected, we have learnt about. In subtraction, the order is matter, we can't change the order. But in multiplication, we can multiply two numbers in any order, but the product remains the same. It means if we are change the order of numbers, the product remains the same. See here, 12 multiplied by 7 is equal to 84, and if 7 multiplied by 12, same, it's 84. Therefore, 12 multiplied by 7 is equal to, means the same as 7 multiplied by 12. Now, we are taking one more example B. 150 multiplied by 3 is equal to 450, and 3 multiplied by 150 is equal to 450. See, we have changed the order, but the product is same. Therefore, 150 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3 multiplied by 150. So, this is the order property. Now, the second property. The second property is multiplicative property of 1. When any number is multiplied by 1, the product is the number itself. Let's take example. If we multiply 5 by 1, so the answer is 5. 5 ones are 5. If we multiply 25 and 1, the answer is 25. Because if we are multiplying by 1, see, 25 multiplied by 1. 1 5s are 5. Now we are taking with second. So 1 2s are 2. So see, if we multiply 25 by 1, the answer is 25. So the number itself. Now if we are multiplying 1 to 256, that time also the number itself, the answer comes number itself. Now 1 multiplied by 175, the same, it's 175. Now multiplicative property of 0. When any number is multiplied by 0, the product is always 0. Means if we multiply 0 by any number or any number multiplied by 0, always product is 0. 12 multiplied by 0, 0. Here 34 multiplied by 0, 0. 0 multiplied by 125, that time also 0. Now the next is grouping property. While multiplying more than two numbers, the product remains the same even if we change the grouping of the numbers. See, we are taking some numbers. 4 multiplied by 3, this we have in bracket, and then out of the bracket here multiply by 2 is equal to 4 multiplied by 3, 12. 12 multiplied by 2, is equal to 24. Now we are changing the group. This 2 comes in the bracket and this 3 out of the bracket. So here in the bracket we have 4 multiplied by 2 and out of the bracket we have multiplied by 3. So we will solve this is equal to 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8 and 8 multiplied by 3 is equal to 24. So you see, if we are changing the group, the product is remain the same. Now we are changing one more time. We are taking 4 out and then multiply bracket 2 multiplied by 3. Now 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, 2 3s are 6. So 4 multiplied by 6 is equal to 24. It means we are changing the group but the products remain the same because the numbers are same here. Only group is different. Now the last property is distributive property of multiplication over addition. The product of a number multiplied by the sum of two numbers is equal to the sum of the products of that number with the two addends separately. This we will understand by example. See here, pay attention. 2 multiplied by 3 plus 5. 2 multiplied by 3 plus 5 is equal to, first we will solve the bracket 2 as it is, multiply by 3 plus 5, 8. So now here is the multiply sign. So we will solve this. 2 multiplied by 8, 16. Once again you check, see, 2 multiplied by 3 plus 5. First we will solve the bracket 3 plus 5, 8. Now we will multiply by 2. 2 multiplied by 8 is equal to 16. Now we are doing separate to both 3 and 5. So 2 multiplied by 3, this sign of plus comes here, then 2 multiplied by 5. See, first 2 multiplied by 3, 2 multiplied by 3, then this sign of addition we are doing here, plus 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Out of bracket we have 2, so we will multiply 2 to 3 and 2 to 5 also. Now solve the bracket first. So 2 multiplied by 3, 6. Sign of addition comes. 2 multiplied by 5, 10. 2 5s are 10. After that we will solve this addition sign. 6 plus 10 is equal to 16. So it means 2 multiplied by 3 plus 5 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 plus 2 multiplied by 5. It means if we are separate these addend, the answer will remain the same. We are separating here the addends, but the answer is same. So these are the properties of multiplication. That's it for today. Thank you.